All right, we have reached the end of this series. First of all, I want to congratulate you on finishing this course, especially if you started from part 1 and finished all these 3 parts. So we started this series with a Hello World example, and then over these 3 parts, you learned all about data types, decision making, loops, functions, arrays, pointers, strings, structures, enumerations, streams, classes, inheritance, polymorphism, exceptions, and templates. So you have mastered all the essential C++ features you need to know. There are some other features here and there that you would hardly use if ever. That's why I didn't cover them here. I didn't want to waste your time talking about the features you wouldn't use. Plus, with the solid foundation you have built in this course, you can always learn about them on your own. Now, as I told you at the beginning, to write good C++ code, you need to master both the C++ language and the standard library or STL. So you know all the C++ features you need to know, but the standard library is built on top of these features and provides a lot of code we can reuse in our applications. So we don't need to code these features from scratch. So if you want to take your C++ skills to the next level, I've got a course for you called Mastering the C++ Standard Library. So thank you so much for watching this course and allowing me to be your instructor. If you enjoy this course, please support me by telling others about my coding school. I really appreciate your support. Again, thank you so much, and I hope to see you again in my other courses.